Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been so long that I have uploaded any video. So today we are starting with the new chapter and the name of the chapter is Admission of a Partner. Now as we know that our exams are close, so in this video I'm going to focus upon the basic overview and I'm also going to take few questions that are very important from exams point of view. Right? So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what happens, as we have understood, there is a business, right? And this business is actually being started by two partners, the partner A and partners B, right? Now, what happens in this chapter? There is another person named C. He is actually interested in joining the business of A and B, right? And A and B are eagerly accepting the admission of C partner. So क्यों ये लोग इसी को अपने पार्टनर में अलाउ कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज ये जो सी पार्टनर है, हो सकता है ये सी पार्टनर इज वेरी वैल्यूएबल टू दी ए एंड बी, राइट? तो अब क्या होता है, जब ये न्यू पार्टनर सी हमारे बिजनेस में आता है तो ये दो चीज लेके आता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये लेके आता है आपकी कैपिटल, दूसरी लेके आता है आपका अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल, राइट? सो सबसे पहले ये कैपिटल लेके आएगा. जेन्युइन सी बात है, अगर कोई भी पार्टनर हमारे बिजनेस को ज्वाइन करेगा, बिकॉज जो ऑलरेडी दो पार्टनर्स हैं इन लोगों ने कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूट करी है, राइट? तो ये बोलेंगे कि अगर आपको हमारा बिजनेस ज्वाइन करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंट्रीब्यूट योर कैपिटल, right? Now the second thing is goodwill. What is this goodwill? Goodwill we know that it is a reputation earned, right? So ये जो दो पुराने पार्टनर्स हैं, पार्टनर ए एंड पार्टनर बी, इन्होंने ओवर अ टाइम कुछ रेप्यूटेशन अर्न करी है. सो ये लोग बोलेंगे कि आपको उस रेप्यूटेशन का पैसा हमें देना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो नया पार्टनर है ये बेसिकली दो चीज लेके हमारे पार्टनर को ज्वाइन करता है, विच इज योर कैपिटल एंड योर गुडविल, राइट? नाउ व्हेन अ पार्टनर जॉइन्स अ बिजनेस, basically a new partner, so there are few things that happens. First of all, जो हमारे पुराने पार्टनर्स थे वो प्रॉफिट में जो शेयर लेते थे वो किसी रेशियो में लेते थे. लेट्स सपोज द रेशियो दैट दे आर शेयरिंग वाज 1:1. अब नया पार्टनर अगर बिजनेस को ज्वाइन करेगा तो उसको भी उस प्रॉफिट में हिस्सा देना पड़ेगा, जिसकी वजह से हमारे न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दिस पार्टनर, दिस एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर्स चैप्टर इज गोइंग टू डील विद इज द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. दिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. सो हमारे एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो इन्हीं टॉपिक से आते हैं दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू इन दिस वीडियो, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट वन इज द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. द सेकंड कम्स कि जब हमारा नया पार्टनर आया तो नए पार्टनर के आने से जो हमारे एसेट एंड लायबिलिटीज थी उनका रिवैल्यूएशन किया जाता है, राइट? सो जो दूसरा आता है वो आपका रिवैल्यूएशन से आता है, दैट मीन्स रिवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी, ऑलराइट? And the last thing that you are going to learn in this is the calculation of sacrificing and the gaining ratio. So I'll just write it, sacrifice and gaining ratio. This we have already learned in the chapter 2, but I'm going to take this from the point of admission of a partner, right? So this is how we are going to go ahead with this chapter. We are going to learn the three basic topics and I'm going to take an important question based upon the three. Right? So let's start with the new profit sharing ratio. I will explain you what type of questions you can expect in your board examination, right? So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Alright, so let's start with the questions of new profit sharing ratio. I'm going to put the question on the screen. So this question has two parts. The first part, Ram and Shyam are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 7/12 is to 5/12. They admit Gopi as a new partner for 1/6 share, which he acquires equally from Ram and Shyam. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of partners, right? So the first of all, what I explained to my student is that before solving the question, what you have to do, you should write what is given. So what is given in the question? In the question it is given कि जो new partner है, which is your Gopi, right? So ये जो Gopi है इसका शेयर कितना है? 1/6. Right? And the old ratio was between the Ram and Shyam was 7:5. Right? You can write 7/12 is to 5/12, 7:5. Okay? So what they have told in the question is that कि ये जो 1/6 share है, ये गोपी राम एंड श्याम से इक्वली ले रहा है। इक्वली का मतलब होता है 1:1, which is your 1/2 and 1/2, right? 1/2 and 1/2. I hope you know how to write in a fraction. So what are you going to do? You are going to do the half of 1/6 and half of 1/6. So do multiply it with 1/6. You are going to get 1/12 and 1/12. Right? So now simply subtract 1/12 and 1/12 from Ram and Shyam's share. Right? So Ram and Shyam. Perfect. Ram का शेयर कितना था? 7/12. So you are going to write 7/12 and the Shyam share will be 5/12. Now what you are going to do? You are going to subtract the share that your Gopi is taking from both of them. So 1/12 and 1/12. These are very, very simple, right? So now this is how you solve the equation. I'm just simply solving the equation, right? So you are getting 6/12 and 4/12, right? If you want, you can just do it. What you are going to write? You are going to write that the new profit sharing ratio is, and what is the Gopi share? First of all, let's convert the Gopi share, which is a 1/6. 1/6 को हमें denominator 12 करना है, तो we are going to multiply it with half share. You are getting 1/12. Now the new profit sharing ratio is between Ram, Shyam, and Gopi. 6:4:1, right? So write 6:4:1. This is what you are getting as an answer. Simple, right? So these type of question, this is the one pattern question that you will get in your board examination, right? You should know how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So this is the first part of this question. The second part I'm going to put as a practice question in this video, and I'm going to put the answer also in the video so that you will have a better understanding. So I hope this is it for this video. Now I'll take another concept in the next video. So this is it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.